My name is Vikas Rawat, and I am the founder and CEO of Global Garner Sales Services Private Limited. And I welcome you all in short business opportunity presentation of Global Garner. So let's start. We started our operation in Feb 2016. We officially launched our app in 2017, April 2017 to be very specific. Till today, we have done a GMV of more than 120 crores, and this company was started with the loan capital of only 3.08 lakh rupees, which today is almost 216 crore rupee company, and this valuation is done by Pentomath Capital Advisory Private Limited, which is a category 1 merchant banker, and this valuation has been done in November 2019, right? Adding to few of more of our achievements, we have been awarded by two of these CMs of the country, one from Gujarat, one from MP, and also we are very and proud to tell you that Times of India is our shareholder. So we are a Times Group invested company where Times Group has studied our business model, and here it has showed trust in our business model and the entire leadership of Global Garner. So I think that is the biggest achievement of Global Garner till date, that a 180-year-old company has shown that much trust to us that they have become our shareholders. Okay. So now let's see what is Global Garner. So now let's see how we are going to benefit vendor. And again, no investment is required from a vendor. Before starting a vendor segment, I would like to tell you, when we started this entire thing almost 4 or 5 years back, everyone told me that nobody is interested in local vendors. Digitalization of local vendors will never happen in India. But I think recently you must have seen Geo entering it. You must have seen Amazon entering it, and there are other such companies who are entering to make a local vendor digital. But local vendor today doesn't require digital service only. He needs digitalization to increase his sale. No one is providing that sales ecosystem, but in Global Garner we will tell you how this vendor will get benefit from Global Garner without any investment, because all these companies who are about to digitalize, they have some or the other fees added, and it is prepaid, right? You have to invest something to get yourself digitalized. It varies, like Geo has I have read somewhere that they are coming up with 3000 rupees package for a vendor, and it goes up to 3 lakh rupees to get a vendor digitalized. But now in Global Garner, it is absolutely zero for a vendor or a businessman, right? So now, first of all, we will give a vendor a free sales ecosystem across India, where people will sell his products. Not only technology, it is people driven company. It is a real intellectual guy sitting behind a computer and selling your product. And biggest part for a vendor is that this, for these services he has to only pay when sale is coming to him. The entire digital platform, whatever we do, is totally free for him. Even we give him a digital package of worth 50,000 rupees totally free. So it's a AWS server on which we give unlimited space to him. He can place as many product he wants, and he is only paying us once the sale is happening. And there is a physical person, a real person selling his product, because we will give him incentive when he sells your product. So it is like having your own sales team across India with zero upfront cost. So this is happening first time in the world, right? Second, like we will charge a commission on sales only, but a vendor paying us 6% and above, will be getting 2 times of GG coins. That means, let's say if you as a vendor have given us 10,000 rupees commission and you are paying us more than 6%, you will get 20,000 rupees GG coin, which you can again convert into real money in FIFO and MyCircle cashback process, which I have told it as a user you can do it, right? In just a slide before, I have told you user benefit, where in MyCircle you get this opportunity. So you have first taken a free digital package as a vendor. Second, now you are getting sales for which you are paying us commission, but you need not to pay us anything upfront. Secondly, you are now getting it back, and that too even 2 times in form of GG coins, which you can convert into real money and take back to your bank account in MyCircle cashback process, right? Plus, all your customers are eligible for GG's cashback option. Look, as a local vendor, as a regional vendor, you never had a reward system for your customers. But now with GG, you can give a reward to your customers. For example, let's say you are a grocery store owner. You sold maybe something like, let's say, biscuits worth rupees 100 to your customer. Now you can tell to your customer, sir, because you have purchased these biscuits from me, you will get instant GG coins, which you can use in your another shopping. So let's say you want to go and buy something from Arrow Shirts, you can use these 100 points there. So let's say you are buying a shirt worth rupees 2000 rupees. Now you need not to pay 2000 rupees, you need to pay only 1900, and you can use these GG coins which I have given to you there. So now buying anything from me will get you eligible for both the thing: instant cashback of 100% in form of GG coins, plus a real money cashback from Global Garner, right? Which was never there for a local vendor. So I was telling you, no, the other guys, other companies, what they are only doing is only digitalization. We are giving you the entire structure, where now you can give your customer that added advantage which was never there, right? And to know more about it, please click on this link given in the description of this YouTube video, or attend our full BOP. Thank you very much. This was all about vendor. So this was just a small brief about us. So let's join hand to empower India and empower everything.